Oh, it lights up. Wow, this is really cool. Oh, okay. This is trash. Interesting. Oh, I love this sink. Love the tap as well. Love this station. Here as well. Dining setup. Shelving, super cool. Next to the corner here. Stage solution for garage. This would really look nice. put like the already washed dishes or whatever dishes, yeah, they're here. And also it's really big.
Big,
So it'll
yeah.
be easy for me to wash pots now.
Hi everyone. So it's been a few days, maybe even a week. Yeah, after I visited IKEA with my family, and I just decided to do a haul quickly to show you the things I got. So yeah, first of I'll start with these stacker cups. I really like them. We've opened them obviously, and it's already in use. I love how compact it is and how it can be stacked really high up. So after playing, you just put it away. So I really, really like this. So next up are these lint roller refills. I like them. We're all preparing for winter, so yeah, very handy. The next thing are these toddler cutlery sets. I love them. They're beautiful and of very good quality. So yeah, I have these clips for bags or whatever. Yeah, clips. I like them. Very useful in the kitchen. And then hand towel. And of course, we got this high chair. This is just a part of it. The other parts are okay. I'll see if I can show all the parts. So this is the part. I have the rods for the chair. I have the tray. So these are all the parts. We'll assemble them and then I'll show you. So this is the high chair all set up. This is what it looks like. We've come to the end of the video. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe. See you later, guys. Bye.